Whoa. Hello Trippers, this is Trippin Traci. Today's trip brings us from Chattanooga, Tennessee to Mayfield, Kentucky, where I'll be staying at a Harvest Toast location, Featherstone Farm. Tomorrow is when I get my lithium battery installed, but tonight I'm going to enjoy this farm. I'm looking forward to touring their property, seeing all the animals, and getting some awesome footage for us. Trip with me. I just woke up at Featherstone Farm. I slept so good last night. It was nice and quiet and cool. It was just perfect. I highly recommend coming here through Harvest Toast. I had so much fun with the animals yesterday, and I'm going to share a lot of that footage with you. I forgot to change my shoes after my shower. We're going to have breakfast today. It looks delicious. Look at all these adorable flamingos. That was delicious. I have some bad weather rolling in. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it on my video, but when I was in the restaurant, we had a weather alert on all of the phones. It was scary. I'm getting back on the road now, and the next stop will be in Kentucky. It's a little ominous up here in the mountains with all this fog. Change these pink Crocs that I forgot to take off after my shower. Okay, I feel much better now. Let's get going. Look at those clear skies up ahead. So happy about that.
I'm Emily, and this is my husband Jordan, and we own Featherstone Farm, and we're so excited to be a part of the Harvest Toast community now. And yeah, we just hope that you have a great trip here and you enjoy your time and enjoy the farm.
Look at this adorable little shop they have here. I love it. And the barn, part of it, the middle part of it, is over 100 years old. And then they live in this addition right here. We're gonna go take a look at the shop now. It's so cute. Flowers outside. It's beautiful. I love this place. The little bunny rabbits. Perfect for Easter. Okay, they have shirts with their logo. I'm definitely gonna get one of those. Shop with the sheep. Very cute. What do you think? I think I'm gonna get it. Look at the chickens and the bunnies. Mama made travel pillows. Ooh, I like the one with the sunflowers. That's cute. There's sheep over there. We're gonna go take a look in a minute. And then they have the chickens over here. They are not shy, are they? I think I can make that. think? Ready? Ready? Oh! I didn't get soaked, but I did get a little. Hi! I don't have carrots. Are you okay? Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Yeah? You're good? You're a good pony? Yeah? The white one is her childhood pony. She got it when she was not, what's her name again? Nikki. Her name is Nikki, and that's Sunny. Hi. Look at you, so beautiful. Oh, you're so pretty. You're good. I want a pony. Those pretty flowers. Beautiful. They started a rental on Hip Camp recently, and they have this yurt. I would definitely come stay in the little yurt, spend some time on the farm, away from the hustle and bustle of the city. We're gonna go over and check out the sheep now. I want to see the sheep. And she let the chickens out. The chickens are free ranging now. She asked me if chickens freak me out. They don't. But I know some people who do not care for chickens and birds. As you know, I have a hen that comes to visit me at my house on my front porch occasionally. Well, hello there. He doesn't like the chickens, I don't think. You know I'm talking to you when I talk like that? Let's go up here. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you. I'm following. You lead. I don't have any food. I don't have any food. I don't have any. I'm sorry. This is the shirt I got at the shop here at Featherstone Farms. This sheep's name is Gabe, and her friend drew this logo, and I just love it. He is adorable. He is very inquisitive, and he wants to come visit people, but he's just not ready yet. But he looks at you like, who are you? I want to come visit you. I wonder, what are you doing here? He is adorable. You're silly, Gabe. What you doing? You don't know me, do you? I'm not going to hurt you. I won't hurt you, I promise. Yeah, I'm new. Gabe is very interested, but he's too scared to come over. He came out of my purse. I love sheep almost as much as ponies, but not quite. What you doing? I love being out here in the country with all these animals and in nature. It just makes me feel so good and alleviates my anxiety, especially from that trip in the storm. Oh my goodness, this feels wonderful. Come here, chicken. Come here, chicken. There's some trails back here, and one leads to a creek, a little creek, and one leads to a metal gazebo that's back there. So it is kind of wet. I'm gonna try and get back there, but I don't know if it's gonna work or not. We'll see. Well, they have a little place to sit out here too, right in front of the trail, if you just want to sit out here and relax. I might be able to do it. There's a little owl in there she put in there. That's so cute. Look at that. Whoa. That was close. See how wet it is? It's too bad because I like to get back to that creek and that gazebo, but I don't think I'm gonna try it. I'm afraid I'm gonna get ticks on me if I go through these trees, but I'm afraid that I'm gonna go in the mud if I don't go up here. Please don't let me get any ticks on me. Oh God, I made it. I made it. Look at this beautiful view I have first thing in the morning. I had so much fun with the animals yesterday and walking around in nature and just the peace and quiet after driving through that horrible storm. I'll put all of Featherstone Farm's information below in the details section, along with the Harvest Host information. Do check it out. I highly recommend coming here if you're in the area. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That helps me out on YouTube. And don't forget, subscribe if you haven't already. And with that, I will bid you adieu and to stay trippy.